Today, I'm at JFK in New York City, waiting to board the longest flight in the world. This plane is gonna take us 9,500 miles over 18 hours in the sky. Luckily, we came prepared. Here's how we're gonna survive. Our three main objectives are going to be comfort, hydration, and entertainment.
Hydration?
Yeah! The air inside of an airplane cabin has a lower relative humidity than Death Valley. Your sinuses and every orifice is gonna dry out like SpongeBob at Sandy's house. So don't forget to drink water throughout the entire plane ride. I got Vaseline for my nose, artificial tears, not the eye drops for red eyes. Those do not keep your eyes moist. Lip balm. And Vate says that makeup remover is the face wash for lazy people. So she washed my face with that. Also put on some moisturizer and a sunscreen stick. Now that we're up in the air, let's talk about comfort. I don't care if I'm looking dad chic, I have to dress comfortably. I put on these pants with a stretchy waistband. A belt and jeans would have been a huge mistake. Compression socks help prevent the blood from pooling up in your veins in your feet and legs. I brought earbuds with active noise cancellation. I couldn't believe how well they drowned out the sound of the engine. I brushed my teeth after both meals and it felt like a shower for my mouth. I made sure to stretch in my seat and get up periodically to move around. A good neck pillow. I thought these things were a joke until I realized that I slept on planes like this. This one has a flat back and high sides to keep your head up straight. Lastly, to pass the time, you can watch the movies on the flight. Don't forget to pack a book. I brought my Nintendo Switch, but time goes fastest if you can find a way to sleep. Here we are at Changi International Airport in Singapore. We made it. I've been on much shorter flights that felt way worse than this one. Part of it was Singapore Airlines premium economy seats with all the leg room. But I think a huge part of it was also the preparation we put into it, thanks to Vate thinking ahead. So, hey, to any of you long-haul travelers out there, if we missed any tips, let me know in the comments.